Hello guys, we are going to configure the dynamic host configuration protocol on the server. So let's go. Let's run up our Cisco packet tracer. So dhcp configuration on the server. We need some computers. Let's go ahead and take our server, drag it on your Canva, and we need some laptops as well. Let's take another one. Some bunch of devices. Let's go ahead and take our network device switch is this network, and let's add two more computers, one, and then next one. Let's add another switch is 92950 this model. Okay, let us connect our device. Go to connection. In case you don't know which cable, appropriate cable to choose, go ahead and just go for automatically choose connection. It will help you a lot. In case you know, just go to the straight through cable, connect the similar devices, just straight to cable, fast internet, the power also to. If you want to go fast, just go to automatic. It will help you to choose the right cable to connect to the right device. The similar device we use a straight to cable, and a similar device it will help you use a crossover cable. They are the same device. Okay, now we have connected our take it straight to cable to the server, put it in the middle right, then go and launch it. The connection is green, we can start. Okay, we know in order for a computer to function properly, it needs some basic configuration setup. You need to provide the IP address, subnet mask, for gateway, and the DNS server. So let us write down our configuration of the server: 192.168.1.2, and the gateway we're going to give him 192.168.1.1, and the DNS server 192.168, and give it 10.0.0.1. This is DNS. This is the configuration of the server. So let us open up our server and go to desktop, IP configuration. Remember that a server must have a static IP address. A server should have a static IP address. So let us give IP address that we have wrote down there. So 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask is a class C. 192.168.1.1. See the different gateway. Our DNS server 10.0.0.1. For gateway, if you want, you can copy it. Control C, then close. Okay, so let us go to our host to check if they have the configuration. So first let us service. We need to turn our dhcp server, right? dhcp, let's turn it on. Full name, so you can provide any name that you want. You can put Sacred, that's up to you. The default gateway, then Control V. I didn't copy it. Okay, default gateway, our default gateway 192.168.1.1, and the DNS server as provided here the server 10.0.0.1. So the start IP address, that the range that up to you can take 10. Subnet mask, okay, maximum number of users can leave it by default 55. Let me expand it. So you need to know that this information that you are put it here, the default gateway, the DNS server, and then the start IP address, this information are going to send out by the DNS server to the host computers. They are going to receive it. So let's add it. Then let's choose it, create, and then click on save. Save our configuration. We can go back. So config, you can see if we get to a DNS server up here, you can close it. Launch your time. Okay, let us check our host which are in our network to see if they have received the configuration. Go to this computer, desktop, empty. So let's get dhcp. dhcp request successful, as it says that dhcp help users to assign IP address automatically to the end device. So 191.1. Unfortunately, the default gateway has not appeared. Okay, you need to figure out. So this computer will receive an address. Let's take this one, desktop, configuration, dhcp 1.3. The same to here. Take this device, desktop, configuration, dhcp 1.4. dhcp request successful. So instead of going ahead and then on every machine, imagine that you have a lot of computers on your organization. You have 1,000 devices. If you go ahead in every machine, set up the IP address, the default gateway, the subnet mask, it's not only time consuming, it's also an opportunity for you to tap the wrong information. dhcp, it will help you to do it in a couple of seconds. So let's check in this machine, dhcp request successful. You can go ahead and ping command prompt IP config IP address. Okay, for the, let's try to ping the device .1.1. Try to ping it here. Ping 192.168.1.1. If now we are getting the reply. It means they can communicate. We can even send a message from this computer to this computer because they have the same gateway. From this computer to this computer. In progress, this one has failed. Try again. This computer to this computer has no functional for. Okay, let me try to. Okay, this piece have not yet applied the dhcp. So that was the problem. That was the reason we get fail. Now is dhcp has pop up. Okay, let's try again. PC to this PC. Successful. Successful. This one too have not yet to this PC. dhcp 1.7. I think from this PC to this PC. Successful. Let's go to the command prompt. Ping 192.168.1.1. I get in the reply. ping our network interface card 127.0.0.1. Apply as long as I connect on the same piece of hardware. Okay guys, if you like this video, please come on, welcome to the family, subscribe. This is the way to configure dhcp on the server.